It's Miss Taylor, and I decided to change the scenery up a little bit. We've been in the classroom all the time, so I'm here at the Corpus Christi beach. Since I'm new to Corpus, I don't really know what this part called, but it's called the beach. So what I want to do for y'all was talk about deductive reasoning, what we talked about in class, but just make it make a little bit more sense. And since y'all are like from Corpus and the beach stuff makes a little sense, then hopefully the connection's there. The first part of deductive reasoning that we talked about today was the law of detachment. Hopefully y'all know what the law of detachment is. If you don't know, I'll tell you. The law of detachment is when they give you something and you make an educated guess or conjecture from it. And so to do that, the one in class that I gave you was, if you ride the roller coaster in Arlington at Six Flags, then you'll drop 255 feet. Okay, Michael rode the roller coaster. So, what happened to Michael? I conjecture that Michael dropped 255 feet. And my conjecture will be valid. Woohoo! Okay, so another conjecture that I'll make about this beach is that if I walk on the sand, since you know it's all wet and stuff, if I walk on the sand, no, if anybody walks on the sand, then they're gonna leave feet prints, you know, footprints. There we go. There we go. Well, Miss Taylor walked on the sand. So what happened? I conjecture that Miss Taylor left footprints. It works a lot better when you're over there, but I'm scared of the water, so I don't want to get over there. But yeah, what's another part? Oh, we talked about the law of syllogism. And when you're talking about the law of syllogism, remember that's when you have the P, then Q, if P, then Q, and then if Q, then R. So that implies P and R. I know I lost a bunch of y'all just right there. So I'm going to bring it back to the beach just for y'all. So if the wind starts to blow, then the waves start to hit the bank, right? That's my hypothesis. If the wind blows, then the waves hit the bank. Conclusion. Okay? If the waves hit the bank, hypothesis, then you won't be able to hear me. Okay? Because that's just too much noise, right? So let's take it again. Hypothesis. If the wind blows, then the waves hit the bank. If the waves hit the bank, then you can't hear me. So by the law of syllogism, I can conjecture, or I can gather, that if the wind blows, then you won't be able to hear me. Does that make sense? I thought it did. You my scholar. Good job, good job. So just to look back over that, remember, deductive reasoning is based on facts, properties, observations, and then inductive reasoning is based on patterns. So it's good to know the difference of both. You should check out my video on inductive reasoning. Until next time. Dun, 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 dun. Whatever.